So over here we got yellow collared female. And that's yellow. And over here we got red color boy. And then we got orange boy. We put collars on the puppies now. That extra is not in the box as much. So orange collar boy is now white collar. And then here we have tail boy. That's tail boy. And he's going to be black collar male. Because we had to put a collar on him. So he's going to be black collar from now on. Then over here we got green. That's green colored boy. And then blue. And then here we got, that's tail female, which is now smiley collar female, since we put a smiley collar on her. So they're starting to eat now, and they've been dewormed. What are you eating? Hey? That's pink collar. That's pink collar. Yellow female. That's smiley collar. So tail girl. And then we got Miss Bratty eating dirt. Puppies. That's pink collar. Female. That's it for today's update.